Buenas tardes, clase. Today we're going to be talking about expressing likes and then also learning some vocab of some activities so that you can know how to say if you like something or not. Alright, so the structure is not too difficult to use verbs to talk about what you like to do. When you want to talk about what you like to do, you're going to use this phrase. Me gusta. And then plus the infinitive of whatever it is that you like to do, okay? An infinitive is the basic form of the word. Let me write that down so that you can remember that. Infinitive is the basic form of the verb, okay? So in English, an infinitive is to plus a verb. But in Spanish, it just comes down to a basic form. So you already, last chapter, I had you memorize a few skill words. Like, for example, escribir. And what does escribir mean? Escribir means to write. Okay? So this, right here, escribir, is an infinitive. In English, it's to plus a verb. To plus a verb. So escribir is to write. You also knew words like escuchar, which is to listen, or hablar, which is to talk or to speak, leer, which is to read. Okay, so if you have me gusta plus that infinitive, it's going to say I like whatever. So let me give you an example. If I say me gusta leer. This is like saying I like to read, okay? Now listen to this next part because it's really important. I want you to remember this. Me gusta, the verb gustar is a weird verb, okay? So it does not conjugate like a normal verb. And obviously this me up here doesn't actually mean I, but it's just a weird verb. It conjugates in a weird way. So you're just going to have to trust me with this one, that me gusta leer means I like to read, not literally, but that's the way it translates, okay? Or if I said me gusta hablar, that basically translates to I like to talk or to speak, right? All right, so that's me gusta. If you want to learn some other helpful phrases to talk about what people like, we're going to do that. All right, if you wanted to say you like something, you would say te gusta, and then whatever that is, okay? So that's for you like whatever. Or if you wanted to say he or she, you would say le gusta whatever, okay? That's for he or she likes whatever, okay? Likewise, you could actually turn that into a question as well. And you can actually just leave it exactly like it is. So in Spanish, they don't really have the word do, so they would just take it directly into a question. ¿Te gusta whatever? That means, do you like this? Okay, so if I put in here, ¿te gusta fútbol? ¿Te gusta fútbol? Do you like soccer? Or I could erase this and write an infinitive in so I could find out an activity. All right. ¿Te gusta leer? Do you like to read? All right, you can put anything in there. It's the same with the le gusta You could ask about something else, someone else. Le gusta, whatever. Does he or she like whatever it is that you're asking? All right, so now we're going to learn some vocab so that you can talk about activities that you like. All right, so for these infinitives, these are all verbs, but they're in the infinitive form, so they're then the most basic form. All right, here we go. We have bailar. Bailar means to dance. Bailar. Bailar means to dance. We have cantar. And cantar means to sing. To sing, cantar. We have comer. Comer means to eat. We have nadar. Nadar means to swim. Couple more. Patinar. Patinar means to skate. And then lastly, trabajar. And trabajar means to work. All right, so let's repeat each of these. Ready? Bailar, cantar, comer, nadar, patinar, and trabajar. All right, so let's use these in practice. If I say, me gusta correr, what does that mean? Me gusta correr. Oh wait, you know what? I didn't even teach you correr yet, I don't think. Okay, well, good thing I started this. That means I like to run. Okay, so here's one more activity here. Correr, that means to run. I'm sorry that I forgot that before. So I like to run. Okay, if I wanted to ask you, do you like to run? I could say it like this. ¿Te gusta correr? ¿Te gusta correr? And that means, do you like to run? And then you could either answer, oops, I don't know what happened there. You could either answer sí, which means yes, good. Sí, me gusta correr, which means yes, I like to run. Or no, no me gusta correr, which would mean no, I don't like to run. Okay, no me gusta. The reason that there are two no's here is because this one is saying no and this one is saying I don't. Okay, so like no, I don't like to run. All right, so let's do a couple more practice and then we'll be done for today. All right, here's a question, and I want you to translate this. ¿Te gusta bailar? So go ahead and answer that on Edpuzzle. ¿Te gusta, or not answer it, translate it. ¿Te gusta bailar? And then translate this one for me. ¿Te gusta comer? ¿Te gusta comer? And then here's an answer. Sí, me gusta comer, you probably know this word, tacos. Sí, me gusta comer tacos. And go ahead and translate that. All right, and I think then we will be done for today. So I hope that you have a lovely rest of your evening. And hasta luego. Nos vemos.